Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 BMW X1 2.8. The color is Marrakesh Brown Metallic with beige leather interior. Has the optional 18-inch wheels, turn signals in the side mirrors, recently new tires, brand new front brakes, and very good rear brakes. Nice body styling. This has the leather interior, power seats on both sides, power panorama roof with power shade. We're right by the railroad tracks. This has the fine line wood trim. That was an option. Real sharp looking. This has a parcel cover, and the rear seats will fold down flat. This has comfort access, door locks, and ignition. If you have the key on you, just push the button and it locks. And to unlock it, just grab the handle. It unlocks. Here's the power seat on this side, 2-position memory. When you get in, just push the button. We'll have to put some fuel in it. It has automatic climate control, left and right temperature control. There's a compass in the rear view mirror, garage door openers, has rain sensing windshield wipers, sport steering wheel. Drives excellent. Really nice color combination. Thanks for your time. Give us a call and we can tell you some more details about this vehicle.